Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used vehicle. Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover Evoque R-Dynamic S. The vehicle features a 2-litre D200 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover Evoque is finished in the stunning Santorini black exterior colouring. Now the vehicle sits on these 18-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss sparkle silver finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these LED headlights, and at the rear of the vehicle we also have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, we are greeted with our electric powered tailgate, revealing a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located underneath the boot space, we have access to extra storage capacity. And on the left here, we also have access to a 12-volt power outlet. Once again, at a click of a button, our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look at the rear seats of the vehicle. Straight away on these air vents here, we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle. Located just below that, we also have access to another 12-volt power outlet. The seats themselves are composed of this ebony and cloud leather interior. We also have access to a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. And the rear seats also feature these rear ISOFIX points, available for any younger companions that might be joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous cloud and ebony leather seats. Now these seats are electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available, allowing the driver and passenger to find the perfect travelling position. These seats are also heated. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control and speed limiter. Now this Range Rover Evoque has done 29,803 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. Now this Range Rover also has multiple driver displays to choose from, including speedometer, media driver assistance, map, trip summary and media. Now taking a look at our colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to take those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. Now the vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera system, which is a great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. The vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information, we can access key information to have when taking the vehicle off-roading. The vehicle is also equipped with easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when getting your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle's terrain response system, which offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. Now taking a look at the vehicle's climate control system, as you can see the climate controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. Once again, at a click of a button we can also access our heated front seat controls, ensuring that everyone who travels within this vehicle can travel at the perfect temperature. Now this Range Rover Evoque is also equipped with a fixed panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days or summer drives as it allows plenty of daylight into the vehicle, creating a nice light open feel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1 year's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information, call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online now.